Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I am going to do some mackerel and bean. Yeah man, I'm putting a twist to the thing, so you know this is a new dish. And these are my seasoning over here that I'm going to use. I have tomato, onion. Well, this is not my regular big boy, but you know, it's going to do the job where it's supposed to do. My pepper. I don't know if I should even call it Scotch bonnet pepper, but it is a Scotch bonnet pepper, but it is not huge. Alrighty, and I have two sweet pepper over here. So you know these are homegrown. From you look at them, look guys, you see how little these. Look at that. They are so little. So I'm actually using two. And I have my fresh springtime and my scallion. And 3 cloves of garlic. So yeah man, make we get down in a business no and kick this thing off. So I'm using my Grace Jack mackerel, not doing any advertisement for them guys, but you know this is what I prefer. This is the brand that I prefer. You can go ahead and use any Jack mackerel. Just use your preferable choice, your choice of preference. All right, so make we kick this thing off. I'm going to just set on my bean now to pressure. So you know, come along with me over to the stove. As you can see, I already washed them and I put them to soak. Yes guys, put your bean to soak. As long as you know that you're going to use some bean, you go ahead and put it to soak. If it is not the fresh bean that you know, that fresh one that you pick off the tree, right, these were picked off the tree as well, but you know them dry these and all of that. So yeah man, make we keep things off. Come along. So this is my huge pressure cooker. I have a small pressure cooker, but guys, you know what? I can't find the top for it. So I'm going to just throw my beans right. So this look like it need a little more water. So let's go get some more water. All right, now so I'm going to dash a little more water in my pressure cooker. And I am also going to dash just 1 clove of garlic. So there you go. And I'm going to just close and allow to pressure. Alright guys, so while my bean is pressuring, I'm just going to proceed in cutting up my season. So you remove your sweet pepper seed. I normally remove the seed, guys. Alrighty, so let's just do our garlic cloves. I'm using this pepper seed and all of that. Alright, so onto our tomato now, guys. Yeah, so that's about it for my earth seasoning. If I add anything, I will show you as we go along. Alrighty. Alright guys, so while my bean is pressuring, I'm going to wash my rice and put it on to cook. So here what happened now, guys. Some rice here, mash up with that menu here. Alright, that should do. I'm just gonna go ahead now and just wash this. And guess what happened, guys? The rain not tear outside. I'm going to have to go outside and show you guys the amount of rain that has been falling. So sometimes I wash my rice in a different container other than the pot, and the next time, I just throw it in the pot and just wash it. And just put it on the same way. Guys, so my bean has finished pressure, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and show you. That's it. But you don't know, I have to stop the pressure cooker and leave it to cool. So I'm just pulling it now. So this is the result. So my bean is all tender and nice. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to just transfer this to a plate and proceed. So come along. Alrighty, so I did just pressure this for half hour, guys. I just give it half hour. Basin, I already soak it, so it takes less time to cook. So I'm just drizzling some oil in my pot to deal with my seasoning here. Alright, so I'm just gonna allow that to get hot. Alright now guys, so I'm just going to toss in my garlic to release all of that flavor. So as soon as that is fried up, I'm going to just go ahead and toss in the rest of my season in no particular order. So that's my tomato, bell pepper and the onion and my hot bonnet pepper. So I'm just trying to release some flavor there. Alright guys, so this is the only season that I'm going to dash in my pot right now. Some fish season. Yeah, it is grease again. Alright, so I put in a little of that. all over. So hungry I whops everybody from left, right to center, guys. So I'm drizzling some salt as well. Alright. I'm going to give that a good mix to combine. Alrighty. So I'm just going to toss in my mackerel in the pot. That's a lot of gravy. You really think we need to watch out the thing, guys? If you wait and see, you know. Alright. Alright, guys. So this is our tin mackerel cook up. Alright, so I have some cayenne pepper here. So I'm going to just dash them in as well. I'm going to taste. Remember to taste your pot, guys, to see if everything is alright. Yeah? Let me taste this. This one a little salt. So let me drizzle a little more. That should do. I'm gonna go ahead now and add my bean to the pot. So that's my broad bean that I have pressure earlier on. Add in a little more. Alright, everything. Alright, guys, so I'm going to add my thyme. Adding a piece of springtime to my pot. Then you know you have to have a whole of pepper to put on top of that. Alright, so I'm just going to cover this now and allow it to simmer a little for a minute or two. Alright. Alright, guys, checking in back with our mackerel and bean, and this is looking lovely as ever, and it is also finished. So remember to turn down your flame. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna lock the stove off right about now, and I'm going to just garnish with some spring onion. So that is it, guys. I'm going to plate this now and dive in some of it. Alright guys, so this is our mackerel and bean, and you know your girl are gonna get down in a this. Yeah. In the rainy Friday afternoon, yeah. So this is lunch. It's really good. Delicious.